guys, welcome to another Sphero mini tutorial, the second one on this channel, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to do a script that does this. Okay, right. If you're wondering how to do this, guys, it's very simple, probably easier than the last tutorial. So if you go here, this is the script you will need to copy down. Okay, you can change the colours if you want to different ones, but so pause the video if you need to. So yeah, and then let's try it out. See, it works and everything, guys. This is really simple, so if you do have any queries, tell me in the comments. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing more of these tutorials, guys. So bye bye.